Hi, this is Kapil. As someone has nicely said, count the memories and not the calories, right? And when talking about memories, memories are very special when those are with our loved ones. And talking about loved ones, you're gonna love this recipe because I'm making cream cheese kisses. Let's start making cream cheese kisses. It's an easy bake recipe. First, in a mixing bowl, I'll add cream cheese. So first, I have to beat cream cheese till it is softened. Next, I'll add 2 eggs, one at a time. Mix the egg. And now goes second egg. I'm adding vanilla essence and sugar. Now mix everything together till it's nicely combined. So the wet ingredients are ready. Next we'll add dry ingredients into the bowl. And first I'll add maida, which is all-purpose flour. Into this I'll add baking powder and pinch of salt and cinnamon powder. Now just fold everything together till it's nicely combined. And it's going to be a thick batter, and we'll have to pipe this batter in the form of tiny kisses. And it is ready. So next, we'll fill it in a piping bag. So I have the batter filled in piping bag. So now I'll make cream cheese kisses on a silicone mat lined in a baking tray. And now we'll bake these cream cheese kisses at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes. So cream cheese kisses are baked perfectly with golden brown around the corners, and now only one step is left. We'll sprinkle some icing sugar and they're good to go. So do try this lovely recipe of cream cheese kisses at home because it will certainly make you fall in love. Share your feedback with me. Till then, take care. Goodbye.